Okay, you look at somebody. Every time I tell you something to do, you always say you have to go to church. What's going on? Nothing. Tell me. You're mad over there. That's why they can't be my guy. They can't be my guy. Oh, look at my here.
Hello? Jackie, I really need to talk to you.
I'm so sorry I missed your call.
I'm going through so much and I just need someone right now to talk to.
Hey, hold on. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. I will be there. Don't you want to meet me?
Where?
Maybe after church. After.
What time?
3 o'clock. Yeah, I'll be there. Don't worry. Just be there. I'll be there.
Okay, I'm coming.
What this means to me, that you will leave your throne apart and breathe. I've been told my soul.
Breaking news. There was a tragic car accident this afternoon on the 22 freeway. An 18-year-old female was pronounced dead at the scene at about 2:35 p.m. No report of the cause of the accident at this time. The Lavera de Tavale, nomadi wife to Matai Talavon, a school valuon Tausanga, awang ayatu isa mastanga fa autan roi taring ro, ile school 5 minute, wate ai ile school rua, ile au ile.
Are you guys okay? She got into an accident this afternoon. She didn't. I'm supposed to meet her here. Excuse me. I'm supposed to meet her here. She told me to meet her at 3 o'clock.
Jesse, right here. Jesse. Hello, Jesse. Jesse? Can you hear me? Hello? Can I come in? Hello, Jesse? Jesse? Where is she going? Wow, look at this view. Wow. Oh, wow, that's him. That's Jesus. Oh, that's who they were talking about. That's him. That's him. Wow, Jesse, wow. Wow. I can't believe it. Jesse, this is what you told me about all this time. Wow. Jesse, thank you so much, Jesse. I understand now. Jesse, one last hug, maybe? Please, Jesse. Oh, this is such a nice experience to see. Oh, wow. I'll be there. I want to be there, Jesse. Oh, thank you so much, Jesse, for your being with us.